Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Chameli Devi Institute of Pharmacy, Indore. In this video, we are learning about Rotarod apparatus. Rotarod is an instrument. It is widely and most commonly used to assess drug effect on motor coordination, balance and motor learning in rodents. This Rotarod apparatus is used to study skeletal muscle relaxant. In addition, it is used to measure parameters such as riding time, evaluating balance, grip strength and motor coordination in experimental animal. Rotarod apparatus has a horizontally grooved rotating rod at a fixed speed. The speed of rotating rod can be increased and decreased with the help of switch. Now we are going to parts and function of rotating Rotarod apparatus. First is main. Main are the buttons which allow the power to flow inside the control section. Indicator is a common electrical device which indicates the flow of current inside the main. Start is a switch for timer which start counting once the machine is switched on. You can see this will keep counting till experimental animal fall down on the autocut threads. Reset is a small button which allow the reset the timer on initial value, that is 0. Regulator is a simply device which control the speed of rotating rod. You can increase and decrease the speed of rotating rod. The speed should be optimum, not more than 20 to 25 rpm. You can increase and decrease. Auto cut push button. You can see there is a small button push type below the platform of each section of Rotarod apparatus. This push button is connected with the timer. When the animal fall down over the platform, the button will push and counting will stop. You can see counting will stop and we can easily note down the falling time of experimental animal. The principle of Rotarod apparatus is reduction of motor coordination, CNS depression, skeletal muscle relaxation lead to decrease in fall time and decrease in number of free riding of animal balancing on the Rotarod. Thus, lesser fall time and less number of free riding indicates that the administered drug has CNS antidepressant or muscle relaxant activity that either lead to decrease in the motor coordination or decrease in the grip power. Now we are going to discuss experimental procedure of Rotarod apparatus. The mice are made to balance on this rod depend upon their motor coordination, central nervous activity and grip strength. The animal either stay on rotating rod for a specific time, after that fall down on the platform of each compartment. The floor of each compartment has sensor that deactivate the time. The exact fall time of each rat or mice is displayed on the respective display. Thank you so much guys for watching our video. I hope you like our video.